Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing a diploma in horticulture. Before starting this, I want to share something. If you are facing any problem of choosing any your career, so you can contact us anytime. We provide all type of guidance related to your course, and here we are discussing about the diploma in horticulture. Program type is diploma. Of course, it is written. Mode is open distance learning. Open distance learning means that um, if you need to go not to need not to go anywhere, you can study yourself at your home by books, and you need to go only for the exams. This course comes under the School of Agriculture. Duration is only 1 year. You have to spend a 1 year for this course, and medium is English only. Specialization is horticulture, and eligibility is only 12th pass. If you are 12th pass, you can go for it. Fee structure is 3,800 rupees for full program. Registration fees and the examination fees are additional. Programmer coordinator is Kip Yadav, and course details that there are total 5 papers for this course. So after passing these papers, you will get credits, and after getting and completion of this course, you will get a certificate. Regional and the study center details are also given here. So you can do your course at these centers, and if you need any other help related to the course, contact us anytime, so we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.